Greetings from L&T Sufin. In this website walkthrough video, we'll explore all the features that make this portal a truly integrated B2B e-commerce marketplace. L&T Sufin, a platform designed to make buying and selling industrial and construction products effortless. Built-in supply chain features enable end-to-end transactions between buyers and sellers across India. The platform replicates the real-world buying and selling experience by integrating seller discovery, price discovery, negotiation, payments, financing, and logistics on a single platform. So, let's get started. Type the URL to land on the L&T Sufin homepage. Here, buyers can customize their access to onboarded sellers and their catalogs from across the country just with a few clicks. You will find more than 50+ categories displayed right here. Let's explore a specific category, adhesive and sealant. At the top, you will find 5 super categories covering the full product range, which includes building and construction, electricals, electronics and IT, industrial supplies and engineered products, machinery and mechanical equipment, and packaging, printing and office supplies. Let's explore a super category, building and construction. Within this super category, we look at the category of adhesive and sealant. You can view adhesive and sealant together or explore them separately. Let's click on the subcategory Adhesive. On this page, you will see various distinct items or DIs. All DIs are adhesives, each with a distinct application. Let's select the DI Tile Adhesive to explore further. You will now see a wide range of brands under Tile Adhesive with different quantity, price, and packaging. These individual products are called SKUs or stock keeping units. You can refine your search further using filters. Sufin Choice highlights well-priced products from selected sellers, including OEMs. Trusted sellers carry a verified trust seal. Additionally, buyers can refine their search using filters like seller name, location, minimum order quantity, price, brand, discounts, and product types. You can click on About Us to know more about L&T Sufin. Here, you can read what we stand for as a business, and our strength is displayed in numbers of buyer and seller base, our reach across pin codes, product categories, and product offers across India. You can scroll down to understand our vision and mission, powered by the strong backbone of Larsen & Toubro. Then click on the L&T Sufin logo to return to homepage. You can click here to initiate requests for code for bulk orders. On this landing page, you can also apply for trade credit by clicking here. Enter your details and our team will contact you to onboard you and help you get the best financial solution. Scroll down to view multiple financing options backed by 15+ lending partners for quick, hassle-free sanctions. These are the various financing products available for your choice. Here, 6 simple steps are laid out to know the disbursal process. Now click on L&T Sufin logo to get back to the home page. To get the L&T Sufin app, click here. You'll see its features and a QR code to download it easily. Click here to access Brand Store, which hosts L&T Sufin own product range and products from premium sellers. These are products marketed under L&T Sufin brand name. And as you scroll down, you'll see a range of premium brands across various categories. Buyers seeking to buy these premium products can understand the process flow for placing orders and benefits of buying on the brand store. And now back to the home page. As you scroll down this section, you can browse through all the categories from new arrivals to best-selling categories to popular deals on portal. Here, you can directly access brands carrying the L&T Sufin Trust Seal. By clicking on the templates, you can directly land on the microsite of the specific brand, and then there is quick reminders of benefits reinforce our partners' loyalty and trust. We suggest you to take a pause and read through it. Here are testimonials in verbatim from satisfied customers on this portal. Now take a moment to see the strength of trusted sellers building trust and convenience. Going further down, you can find the QR code to download buyer mobile application. And finally, if you need help, you can reach our help desk using the contact details provided. Below, you will find links to the pages we covered earlier, along with access to our media page, the SuFin blog with curated product insights, customer testimonial videos, details of our loyalty programs and membership plan offering value-added services. And not to mention, do follow us on X, LinkedIn, YouTube and Facebook. Now let's check out the features available on Portal for Sellers. If you are registered or onboarded, click the Login button. If you are not onboarded, click on Register and initiate the onboarding process. You can also scan the QR code to download the L&T SuFin Sellers Suvidha mobile application. This is a powerful mobile application which supports sellers close transactions while on the go. As you scroll down, you can go through why you should register on L&T SuFin. Further, you can access videos on how to register, list products, get orders, and receive payments on L&T SuFin. Here you can view video testimonials of sellers who have maximized the benefits of being on the portal. Find quick links for assisted model, logistics support, and various subscription plan. And also get your queries answered through our frequently asked questions. The website is designed to make buying and selling simple, seamless, and user-friendly, whether you are a buyer, a seller, or both. We are sure this video has helped you understand this innovative, integrated B2B e-commerce marketplace, L&T SuFin.